FLAME, that's Foundation for Liberal and Management Education, was started with an objective to give back to society. With a deep-rooted education philosophy towards nurturing young citizens with an ability to creatively and critically solve world problems, FLAME University helps them collaborate effectively, adapt quickly, and follow an interdisciplinary approach towards learning. The premise of putting together this campus was to imbibe the love for learning. Our founders wanted to differentiate how talent was groomed and prepared for real-world challenges. This campus is testimony to the vision that will follow. While putting together the auditorium, we wanted to create a space which could give our students and faculty a platform to deliver. Be it a presentation, lecture, talk, speech, performance, drama, art, or even a convocation, this venue had to be ready for it all. Our architects created a design theme which met the vision of our founders, and the same has been put in place with this structure. The architects for the auditorium are Blusher partners from Germany, and the interior designer is Ajit Shilpi from Mumbai. We chose MMG Acoustical Consultants to help choose the technology for our auditorium. Mr. Matthew and team offered us good options to choose from, and after detailed evaluation process with our interior designer, our team went ahead with HARMAN due to their technical capabilities, commitment to India market, and the support system that they have pan-India.
The FLAME University team wanted a full-scale use space that would cater to the needs of the university, including speech, presentations, cultural activities, and a surround-enabled movie experience. We were given the freedom to design a state-of-the-art sound system for the space. The sound system was to be designed to meet the client's needs, address spatial challenges, and provide a rich listening experience. After a thorough analysis using ease, the client closed with HARMAN as it meticulously fit with our design requirements and the aesthetic intent. HARMAN has a very knowledgeable technical team who translated our design philosophy into the audio system as desired. I had heard the SRX series. I can confidently say that the sound quality it delivers in this auditorium makes for a delectable listening experience.
Working with Matthew Sir is always exciting. He and his team are very clear with what they intend to deliver as an outcome. Hence, this was a detailed approach that goes into every project. This was no different. The AutoCAD drawings, layouts, simulations, software analysis, etc. was the usual flow, and we were kept on our toes till the technical parameters were not met. Using the SRX series was an obvious choice because of the spectrum it allows. In spite of being a powered system, it is very compact and packs a very powerful punch when it comes to program audio, and is equally effective with speech applications. The JBL SRX 906 speakers in a left, center, right combination, and the SRX 918 subwoofers for the main PA, which are floor mounted, while we use the AC 18/26 speakers as a front fills, powered by a Crown DCI 4600 amplifier, and the Eon 712s to work as a stage monitors. We have also used the JBL 9320 cinema speakers to fill in as a surround speakers. The microphone system is from AKG with wireless handle and presenter sets, and a couple of wired gooseneck mics for the lectern. The audio mixing is done with the help of Soundcraft SI Impact and is ably supported by the BSS Blue 100 audio DSP. For video and controls, we have used AMX products. The main video transport and routing is done through the DVX32664K, an all-in-one presentation switchers that unifies audio, video routing and control function. It replaces the need of individual components and eases the integration process. The video signal from across the stage, control room and the output to the Samsung LED wall are routed through the DVX32664K using HDMI extenders. The complete system control operations are carried out by the onboard control processor with the AMX Modiro Series 7-inch tabletop touch panel complementing as the GUI device.
Even our classrooms are equipped with a very nice kit, the Jetpack, which is a nice all-in-one package to enable presentations and basic controls. We like the performance of the audio system, and the fact that it all comes from one family makes it easier to manage and maintain.